Hi everybody, welcome to Siku Customs. Today I want to show you a review of a custom painted Siku Army logistic helicopter, as you see here. So this helicopter was at first a silver blue police helicopter from Siku, and I had the idea to paint this green. This was also one of my first customs. I think I painted this 2008, and overall very cool. I think very cool helicopter. The only thing which I do not like is that you see here on the side the holes, but because of I had painted them, these do not look very bad. When he was not painted, I'm not sure they were black. I think that was not very cool. That did not look very cool. So here is his rolling feature. This can also move. This part here says Siku. Very little written. This is plastic. This is plastic. The rest is die cast, and the windows are transparent plastic. Side, front. The bottom is not painted or written or anything.